I want to thank all the Pink Villa readers for being here. So now we can move on to the fan questions. They are there in the chits. We can pick them up and they can ask the questions.
Manoj.
Hi Rohit ji, I'm a great fan of you. Rohit is always known as a hitman. So when will the hitman come out of the Khatro Ka Khiladi and get into the zone and get us more and more about Singham and others? So you said Golmaal. So can we expect Golmaal by next June or how?
Now that pressure don't put on me on a release date.
No, the
Come on.
pressure has to be on. Nah?
It will
Otherwise,
come. Means we'll make the film happily, and it will come when it has to come. And obviously, when we start, like we are very quick. Like we don't take much of a time. Like Singham also took 1 year.
yeah.
But don't put a date, please.
No,
Otherwise,
not a
it will be
date.
everywhere.
The kettle has to be hot because nobody likes cold tea. It's always cold coffee. Rohit is hit and hot, not a cold coffee.
It will come soon, for sure.
Okay, thank you.
Abhijit Desai.
Hello, Roj sir and Ajay sir. My question is for Ajay sir. You are an actor, you are a director, and you are also a producer. Which role do you like the most, and which one do you find more challenging?
I think bottom line is filmmaking. Filmmaking includes everything. Somebody just asked me outside, if you weren't in the film industry, what would you be doing? I really have no idea because I know nothing else, I would say. So I love all three, and whatever I do, I fall in love with it. That's why I do it. So I will not be able to differentiate in it.
Thank you.
Anushka Shah.
Hello Ajay sir. So you're currently making Son of Sardar 2, De De Pyar De, Dhamal 4 and Golmaal 5. So is there any other film of yours that there will be a part 2 of, or any film that you hope has a franchise of soon?
Yeah, so Shaitan is being written. And Drishyam has also been written.
So we'll have to revise the entire Pav Bhaji Goa thing again for Drishyam.
Krisha Shah.
Hello Ajay sir, hello Rohit sir. I'm a big fan of both of y'all. My question is for Ajay sir. If Kshitij was a thing when you were in college, who would be the first celebrity that you'd like to be seen for Kshitij, performing for Kshitij?
Whose celebrity should be performing here?
Yeah, on the stage for Kshitij.
I think you all should call Ranveer Singh. He really entertains everybody.
Thank you so much, sir.
Vidhi Sangvi.
So hi sir. Again, like you all previously said, all of us over here, and especially me, I'm a big fan of All the Best. It's like one of my favorite comedy sequel. So could you all please make a part 2 of it, like All the Best 2. All of us want one.
Okay, so we are going back for year, making total Dhamal, Son of Sardar 2.
All the sequels.
Golmaal 5, All the Best, Drishyam and Shaitan. So we are booked for 2 years because of you guys. Our life is set for the coming 2 years.
Gauri.
Hello Rohit sir, hello Ajay sir. I'm a really huge fan. My question is for you Ajay sir. We all really want to see an out and out mass action film from you like Jawan or Animal with a South director. Is it going to happen anytime soon?
At the moment, I have nothing, but I will consider
Please
what
make
you're saying.
one.
Thank you.
you.
Sara Sheikh.
हेलो सर माय क्वेश्चन इज फॉर रोहित सर सर प्लीज़ गोलमाल 5 बना दो मेरे मॉम एंड डैड की फेवरेट फ्रेंचाइज है और उन्हें एक कॉमेडी फिल्म देखनी है सब एक्शन से थक गए हैं सो व्हाट न्यू कैन वी एक्सपेक्ट इन द नेक्स्ट गोलमाल फिल्म
The next time when we meet, I'll come for Golmaal 5. I promise you that.
Om Salunke.
So my question is for both of you, but more for Rohit sir. As we know, he is like the enjoying one and all. So in the behind the scenes of making the movie, Like I have seen that you like take fun with every character and all. Like when someone is sleeping on the set, you take water bottles and then throw on them, and I've heard that. So like, is there anything happened in Singham again behind the scene?
Not
Like-
really.
Why?
I'm sorry, गलती हो गई. अगली वाली मैं करके I'll send you the videos.
Okay, thanks sir.
Sudesh Manchekar.
Hi Rohit sir. So first of all, I really admire your work. You have given so much incredible and blockbuster movies to the industry. My question for you is, इतने सारे pictures में से आपकी कौन सी एक favorite film है जो आपके दिल के बहुत करीब, like you know, जिगर का टुकड़ा, दिल का टुकड़ा?
You can't name one, you know, obviously, but obviously there are many films. Because of the memories, I would say, because of the love from the audience, what you get. Golmaal 1, Singham, the first Singham, Golmaal, Golmaal 3, all the best. Chennai Express. These are the films, you know, which people have loved. So,
And, and also Ajay sir, my dad is a very big fan of yours. So it's just a message I given from him.
Thank you so much. मेरा नमस्कार उनको.
Thank you so much.
Atishay Jain.
Hi Rohit sir, hi Ajay sir. So my question is to Ajay sir. Sir, what do you think about the new generation of heroes? Kartik Aaryan, Varun Dhawan, Tiger Shroff, and who among them is your favorite? And what do you expect from them in the future?
No, I think they all have come very well prepared, and they're doing very well, all of them, and they perform also very well. I would say we are the generation who came and learnt on the set what to do and what not to do. But I think they've come with a proper plan and, you know, training and everything, which is very, very good. And I just wish all of them all the best. And they're all doing very well.
Thank you, sir.
Raghav Gupta.
Hi Ajay sir, hi Rohit sir. So my question is to both of you. Like, what drives you to make your films more bigger and better than the next one?
It's the love from you guys. Like when we go back, the kind of response you all have given for Singham and the kind of response you're giving for our future films or projects, that love makes us work more harder.
Thank you.
Partha Shah.
Hello everyone. I have a question for Rohit sir. First of all, I'm a big fan of all your films. So what can we expect from future in Cop Universe?
Sorry?
In the future of Cop Universe, what are you planning?
अभी गोलमाल चाहिए कॉप यूनिवर्स चाहिए
Cop Universe. गोलमाल के बाद Cop Universe.
तो उसके बाद
कब तक होगा? कब तक? By when? उसके बाद टाइम.
अभी एक के मम्मी डैडी को गोलमाल चाहिए. अभी आपको कॉप यूनिवर्स चाहिए. बस को खत्म करके देन आई उसके बाद वापस जब आऊंगा आई कम फॉर यू.
ओके सर.
यहाँ पे लेट्स टेक अ लाइव पोल. यहाँ पे से कितने लोगों को गोलमाल नेक्स्ट चाहिए? ठीक है, मैं कॉप यूनिवर्स पे नहीं जाता है तो.
Pranit Shah.
Hello Rohit sir, hello Ajay sir. My question is for Ajay sir. What are your work ethics?
Believe in yourself. Don't take it too easy. Work hard. And never think that you've got enough.
सुमन तक.
हेलो सर, हेलो अजय सर, हेलो रोहित सर. अजय सर, आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ. अभी मैंने काजोल मैम की भी एक पिक्चर देखी नेटफ्लिक्स पे. तो आप दोनों कब साथ में आने वाले एज ए कॉप?
As a cop. अभी तक तो ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं है, लेकिन we'll see. Let's see.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर. एंड रोहित सर, आप सबको कॉप बनाते हैं सारे. आप कब बनेंगे? हम आपको देखना चाहते हैं सर.
अभी ना मुझे सपने में भी वर्दियां नजर आती हैं, खाकी वर्दी, तो अभी थोड़ा मेरे को भी ब्रेक लेना है उससे.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
थैंक यू.
रोहित सर, एक क्वेश्चन आया हुआ था, आई डोंट नो उसमें मिस हुआ है. समवन हैड आस्क्ड द क्वेश्चन, हैज एनीवन एवर ऑफर्ड यू द पार्ट ऑफ एन एक्टर, मे बी हीरो और विलन?
No, not really.
Ajay sir, you must be aware. I think he'll be modest in this.
No, not really.
Has he
No,
ever?
not that I.
Okay, perfect. On that note, thank you so much. It was lovely speaking to the two of you. Congratulations on.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys. Go see Singham again this time. Again.
Yeah. वापस जाओ.
Family के साथ, दोस्तों के साथ and सबके साथ. So congratulations, sir, for the release of the film. Looking forward to Golmaal 5 and upcoming chapters of Cop Universe. And Ajay sir, looking forward to all the films that you said.
Thank you so much.
Especially Drishyam 3 because I want to know Pav Bhaji के बाद, like, what is the next thing after you have made the film?